How to use Walmart pharmacy refill and prescription pickup. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So here's the thing: to use a Walmart pharmacy refill and pickup, you just want to sign into Walmart app and go to the services section. So open up your Walmart app onto your device, log into your account. Here at the bottom right, you have these services section. You click onto that, and here what you need is you just want to add pharmacy access in the app and verify your identity with PIN or security questions. Here you go, you have the pharmacy section over here. You just want to select the refill section. So you have the refill prescription. You could just go ahead and type in that, enter in your phone number if you've not added one, and you just want to select the pickup location and a time slot, review your order and payment method, and choose the place order options, and you'll get a notification when your order is ready. And you could just go ahead and read the terms and conditions, and that's how you're going to use Walmart pharmacy refill and prescription pickup. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.